Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro Direct app. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FxPro. Then in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe.